Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the Best Thigh Master for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the Best Thigh Master for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. If you're looking to tone and strengthen your thighs, hips, and pelvic muscles from the comfort of your own home, the Thigh Master Thigh Exerciser for women is an essential addition to your fitness routine. This innovative product is designed to provide enhanced resistance training for your inner thighs, helping you achieve the toned, sculpted look you desire. Key features of the Thigh Master Thigh Exerciser. The Thigh Master is a versatile and compact piece of equipment that targets your inner thigh muscles, pelvic floor, and hips. Whether you're a beginner or more advanced in your fitness journey, this tool provides adjustable resistance to help you tailor your workout to your needs. Enhanced resistance training. This thigh exerciser comes with customizable resistance, allowing you to increase or decrease the intensity of your workouts. It's perfect for those looking to gradually build strength and stamina over time. Compact and portable. The Thigh Master is lightweight and small, making it ideal for home workouts. You can easily store it in a drawer or under your bed, and it's perfect for those with limited space. You can also take it with you when traveling, ensuring you never miss a workout. Targeted inner thigh and pelvic exercise. One of the key benefits of the Thigh Master is its focus on the inner thighs and pelvic floor. The design encourages proper muscle engagement, giving you more effective results compared to traditional leg workouts. It also doubles as a Kegel exercise tool, which strengthens the pelvic floor for improved bladder control and overall core strength, improves hip flexibility. In addition to targeting the thighs, regular use of the Thigh Master can also improve your hip flexibility and mobility, contributing to better posture and overall movement. Why choose the Thigh Master Thigh Exerciser? This exercise equipment is perfect for women of all ages looking to improve muscle tone and flexibility without the need for an expensive gym membership or bulky equipment. Its simplicity, combined with effective results, makes it an ideal tool for anyone focused on achieving a toned body. Whether you're doing a quick 10-minute workout at home or incorporating it into a more intense fitness regimen, the Thigh Master Thigh Exerciser delivers results. It's an affordable, easy-to-use option that will help you stay motivated and committed to your fitness goals. Start your journey towards stronger, sculpted thighs and a healthier pelvic floor with the Thigh Master Thigh Exerciser for women today. Thanks for watching the video.